Hi everyone, today I thought I'd do a video on how I land my plane. So I will be doing full narration from downwind to base to final of how I land this aircraft. So I hope you enjoy the video. First of all, got to put my hat on because it's a glass canopy. You're probably wondering why I always wear a hat when I fly. That's why, because it gets really, really hot in there and just helps a little bit with the visibility having a hat on. But I do love the glass canopy, it's amazing. It's only a small plane, but you do not feel claustrophobic because of the glass canopy, so it's very good, love it. Right, I'm all good to go, so let's jump in. Right, we're at the end of the runway, so we're going to pull the power all the way back to idle. Wait till we get into the white line, which indicates that we are slow enough to put our flaps down. We just do 10-degree flap, a little bit more power, and let the plane sink effectively. Always keep an eye.
Right clear traffic, Delta Quebec Zulu turning midfield crossing, runway 07, number 2 on downwind. Right clear traffic.
Traffic red clear, RV12 Mike Yankee Echoes turning base for runway 07, touch and go, traffic red clear. Okay. Right, we want to be around 500 feet on final. He's doing a full stop, so we've got to give him time to... Traffic red clear, RV12 Mike Yankee Echoes turning final for runway 07, touch and go, traffic red clear.
Okay, traffic 8790. I've cleared the runway 07, back into western hangars, red clear.
Okay, we're in the white line, so we're going to add a bit more flap. Adjust the trim a bit.
Regular traffic, Cessna 210, Delta Quebec Zulu, beach me 1500, inbound to circuit, red clear.
Okay, so we've got full flap. We're at 65 knots. Don't want to go under 60, 65 is preferable. Aiming for the piano keys, adjusting power, attitude, trim is set. A little bit gusty because it's really hot here today. Alright, aiming for the piano keys. Pull the power all the way back. Looking at the end of the runway. Rounding out, rounding out, rounding out. Oh, ballooned a little bit. Out, rounding out. Go!
Red clear traffic, Yankee Romeo Echo, turning base for touch and go runway 07, red clear.
Right, flaps all the way up, full power, right rudder, just the nose wheel off. Okay, so that's how we do a landing in the RV12. It's a little bit gusty, blowy because of the heat. So, yeah, it's going to be a bit of a bumpy ride, but we'll get what we can. And it's busy in the circuit. Lots of aircraft, lots of extending circuits, lots of exciting things like that. So you hope no one's on their first solo in conditions like this. Okay, we're at 500 feet, look right, look center, look left, nice easy turn. No more than 20 degrees, make sure the ball's in the middle. Okay, once we get to 900 feet, we're going to push the nose down, adjust the power back to 4,800, adjust the trim. Look right, centre, left, nice easy turn. Traffic red clear, RV12 Mike Yankee Echoes turning downwind for runway 07, traffic red clear. Right, that's the aircraft it was looking for.
trees out of our way, trim it a little bit more. Okay. I think it's just us at the moment. Can't see anyone else ahead of us. Everyone's done their full stop. Right, so that's it. That's how I land my plane, the RV12. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned to the next one.